You're driving down the highway. You glance at your speedometer. It says 100 kilometers per hour. Then you check your GPS or phone app. It says 95. You look back at the speedometer. Still 100. Back to the GPS. Still 95. Which one is lying? Is your speedometer broken? Is your GPS wrong? Or is something else going on? Here's what drivers don't realize. Your speedometer is designed to lie to you. On purpose. By law. And there's a specific reason why it always shows a higher speed than your actual velocity. Today, we're exposing the truth behind this deliberate deception and why car manufacturers are legally required to make your speedometer inaccurate. Let's start with the shocking reality. Your GPS is more accurate, almost always. GPS calculates your speed using satellite signals, measuring how far you've traveled over precise time intervals. It's direct, digital, and remarkably precise. Your speedometer, on the other hand, measures speed mechanically or electronically based on wheel rotation. And that's where the problems begin. Here's how speedometers actually work. They measure how fast your wheels are spinning and convert that rotation into a speed reading. But this system has a fatal flaw. It assumes your tires are always the exact factory size. If your tires wear down even slightly, the diameter decreases. Smaller diameter means more rotations to cover the same distance. More rotations mean the speedometer thinks you're going faster than you actually are. Underinflated tires cause the same error. So do different tire brands or sizes. But here's the bigger secret. Even with perfect tires, yes, speedometers are designed to read high. Why? Because of regulations. In most countries, including the EU and US, laws state that speedometers can never show less than your actual speed. They can show higher, but never lower. This is a safety and legal protection. If your speedometer showed 90 when you were actually doing 100, you might accidentally speed and blame the car manufacturer. To avoid lawsuits and ensure drivers don't unknowingly break speed limits, manufacturers deliberately calibrate speedometers to overestimate by about 5 to 10%. So when your speedometer says 100, you're probably doing 95 to 97. This margin protects the manufacturer legally and keeps you slightly under the speed you think you're doing. It's a built-in safety buffer. GPS doesn't have these constraints. No, it measures your actual movement across the Earth's surface. No mechanical parts, no tire variables, just pure satellite data. That's why it's consistently lower and more accurate. There's one exception. GPS can be slightly off in tunnels, under heavy tree cover, or between tall buildings where satellite signals weaken. But on open roads, GPS wins every time. So the next time your speedometer and GPS don't match, don't panic. Your speedometer isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do, protecting you and protecting the manufacturer by showing a speed slightly higher than reality. The truth is simple. Speedometers are legally allowed to lie. GPS tells the truth. And now you know why the numbers never match. If this changed how you see your dashboard, give this video a like. Yes, share it with someone who's always confused by the difference. And subscribe to know more for more hidden truths behind everyday technology. Because sometimes what seems broken is actually working exactly as intended.